Firebox refractory mortar joints crumbling and needing repointing is a pain, but fixing it right can save your fireplace and keep your home safe. So, first off, you gotta check the condition of those mortar joints regularly, especially if you use your fireplace a lot. When you spot cracks or chunks falling off, don't wait around. Get to repointing before it gets worse. Use a high-quality refractory mortar designed specifically for fireboxes because regular mortar just won't cut it with the heat. Clean out the old, crumbling mortar with a wire brush or chisel, but be gentle so you don't damage the bricks. Make sure the area is dry before applying new mortar. Moisture can mess with how well it sticks. Mix the refractory mortar according to the instructions, usually to a peanut butter-like consistency, then pack it into the joints firmly. Smooth it out with a pointing tool or even your finger wrapped in a damp cloth for a neat finish. Let it cure fully, which might take several days, and avoid using the fireplace until it's completely set. Taking these simple steps keeps your firebox solid and stops dangerous heat leaks that can cause bigger problems. One of the biggest mistakes people make with firebox refractory mortar joints is using the wrong type of mortar. It needs to handle crazy heat levels, so regular stuff just crumbles fast. Fix this by buying mortar labeled for refractory use only. Another issue is rushing the drying process. If you light a fire before the mortar cures fully, it can crack again or fall apart. Patience is key here. Wait at least 3 to 4 days before using the fireplace again. Lastly, some forget to clean out all the loose old mortar before applying new stuff, which makes the fresh mortar less stable. Always scrape out everything loose and dust off debris so the new mortar bonds properly to the bricks. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like refractory mortar repointing without cutting corners. It also gives contractors a platform to connect with people needing their skills, making things easier for everyone involved.